In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email address in Google Workspace and manage group permissions. We will be working inside Google Groups to review the settings that control who can post, who can moderate, and how members interact with the group. This is especially useful if you are setting up a team inbox, a department mailing list, or a shared communication address for your organization. Start by going to Google Groups and signing in with your Google Workspace account. Once you are in, click the name of the group you want to manage. This will open the main group page where you can access both member controls and communication settings. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Group Settings. This is where you will configure the rules for how the group works. Under the General and Posting Policies sections, review the available permission options carefully. For private replies, look for the setting called Who can reply privately to authors. Here, you can choose whether private replies are limited to group owners, group managers, group members, your entire organization, or anyone on the web. The right choice depends on how open or controlled you want communication to be. Next, find the setting for who can moderate content. This determines who has the authority to review and manage messages sent through the group. You can assign this responsibility to group owners, group managers, group members, or the entire organization, depending on your workflow and how closely you want content monitored. Then, review the Who Can Post setting. This is one of the most important permissions because it controls who can email the group address. You can allow public access, restrict posting to organization members, or limit it to only group members. If you want to prevent outside messages, this is the setting to lock down. After that, move to the left sidebar and click Members. To add people to the group, click Add Members and enter their email addresses. As you add members, you will also assign roles. Owners have full control over settings, roles, and permissions. Managers can handle members, content, and many settings, but they can't delete the group or remove owners. Members have the most limited access and typically can only post to the group and view conversations, depending on the permissions you've chosen. If needed, you can also set up send mail so members can reply using the group address instead of their personal email. To do that, go to Gmail settings. Select See All Settings, and open Accounts and Imports. Under Send Mail As, click Add another email address you own. Then enter the group name and group email address and complete the on-screen verification process. Once that's done, your group will be much easier to manage and more consistent for team communication. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.